హాయ్ టు ఎవరివన్. ఈరోజు వీడియోలో థర్డ్ క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ వర్క్ బుక్లో యూనిట్ నెంబర్ 2 అయినటువంటి నెంబర్స్ వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి 14 వరకు, అట్లాగే సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ దాని గురించి ఈరోజు వీడియోలో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. అంటే యూనిట్ 2లో ఉన్నటువంటి అన్ని వర్క్షీట్లు అసెస్మెంట్ గురించి మనం ఈరోజు వీడియోలో డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. 3, 4, 5 తరగతుల అన్ని సబ్జెక్టులకి సంబంధించినటువంటి వర్క్ బుక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ కోసము, ఇంటర్మీడియట్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ వరకు ఇంగ్లీష్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి కంటెంట్ ఉన్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము, అలాగే టీచర్స్కి స్టూడెంట్స్కి యూజ్ఫుల్ అయ్యేటువంటి ఎడ్యుకేషన్కి సంబంధించి అప్ టు డేట్గా వచ్చేటటువంటి అన్ని రకాల టాపిక్స్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి వీడియోస్ కోసము ఛానల్ మాత్రం సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోవద్దు. వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, అట్లాగే మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకా ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా మనం వర్క్షీట్ 1లోకి వెళ్ళిపోదాం. వర్క్షీట్ 1 సబ్ టాపిక్ నెంబర్స్, రీడింగ్, writing and comparing 3-digit numbers. In the above table you can find a number between 100 and 150. 127 is between 100 and 150. A number between 900 and 1000. 951 is between 900 and 1000. A number smaller than 100, that is 95 is smallest than 100. A number between 300 and 400. 326 is between 300 and 400. A number that has 6 tens. In 162, 6 is in tens place. Tension and printing mistake. A number that has 5 ones. In 95, 5 is in ones place. Worksheet number 2, subtopic numbers, color the numbers as directed. Student activity. 1 digit ఉన్నవి గ్రీను, నెక్స్ట్ 2 digit ఏవైతే ఉన్నవి రెడ్, నెక్స్ట్ 3 digit నెంబర్స్ ఏమో బ్లూ కలరు, 4 digit ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటిని బ్రౌన్ కలర్లో కలరింగ్ చేయాలి. రైట్ ద మిస్సింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ ద నెంబర్ చార్ట్. మిస్సింగ్ నెంబర్స్ ఆర్ 1114, 1115, 1116, 1117, 1118, 1119, 1121, 1122, 1123, 1125, 1126, 1127, 1128, 1129, 1130, 1131, 1132, 1133, 1134, 1136, 1137, 1138, 1139, 1140, 1141, 1142, 1144, 1145, 1146, 1147, 1148, 1150, 1151, 1152, 1153, 1154, 1156, 1157, 1158, 1159. These are the worksheet number 2. Problem number 3. Write the numbers between 1200 and 1230 in an order. 1200, 1201, 1202, 1203, 1204, 1205, 1206, 1207, 1208, 1209, 1210, 1211, 1212, 1213, 1214, 1215, 1216, 1217, 1218, 1219, 1220, 1221, 1222, 1223, 1224, 1225, 1226, 1227, 1228, 1229, 1230. Means 1230. Fill in the blanks. 10 ones equals to 10, 3 tens equals to 30, 9 tens equals to 90, 10 tens equals to 100, 20 tens equals to 200, 10 hundreds equals to 1000. Worksheet number 3, subtopic numbers. Write the numbers as directed. 2, 6, 6, 4 means 2664. Next one 4, 2, 1, 0, 4210. Next one 1, 5, 4, 3 means 1543. 3, 0, 4, 3, 3044. Next one 2, 2, 0, 0, 2200. Worksheet number 4, subtopic small formation of 4-digit number. Select the spike abacus to the numbers 5102. For 5102, here option C is suitable. Draw the heads on the following spike abacus for numbers given below. 5005, 5055, 5050, 5555. ఇక్కడ ఈ హెడ్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయి డ్రా చేయాలి. స్టూడెంట్స్ యాక్టివిటీ. అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ స్పైక్ అబాకస్ అండ్ రైట్ ద నెంబర్స్ ఇన్ ద గివెన్ బాక్స్. 8, 2, 4, 6, 8246, 6, 5, 6, 5, 6565, 9, 3, 1, 4, 9314, 2, 7, 0, 8, 2708. Write the names of the numbers. 6984, 6984, 5489, 5489, 8745, 8745. Worksheet number 5, subtopic 4-digit numbers. Observe the following pictures and write down the price of the things in words. First one 1986. The cost of dining table 1986. Cost of bicycle 2350, 2350. Cost of gas stove 5000. Cost of table, glass table, rupees 8925. Write the number and number name by observing beats of the abacus. 3, 5, 3, 4, 3534, 6, 0, 1, 5, 6015. Worksheet number 5, read the number names and write in numbers. First one 2536, 4850, 6209, 8300, 9009. Worksheet number 6, subtopic numbers. Read and write 4-digit numbers. Expanded form 2345. One is done for us. Next one 6510, 6510. Next one 5600, 5600. Next one 3873, 3873. Next one 4501, 4501. Find the place value of each of the digits in the given numbers. 8764. Place value of 7 is 700, equals to 700. Place value of 6, 6 tens means 60. Place value of 4, 4 ones means 4. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following number has 9000s? Option C 9250. What is the place value of 5 in 3567? B 500. Put a circle for the number with 7 in thousands place. 7563. 5 in ones place 1005. 0 in tens place 5407. 3 in hundreds place 5329. Worksheet number 7, subtopic expanded form and short form. Match the following: 4000 plus 200 plus 60 plus 3, 4263. 8000 plus 400 plus 5, 8405. 9000 plus 30, 9030. 2000 plus 800 plus 10 plus 6, 2816. Write each of the following in expanded form as shown below. One is done for us. Second one, 3508, 3000s, 500s, 0 tens, 8 ones. Next one, 5670, 5000s, 600s, 7 tens, 0 ones. Write the following numbers in short form. 1000 plus 100 plus 10 plus 1, 1111, 2000 plus 60 plus 4, 2064, 5000 plus 4, 5004. Choose the correct answer. 5000 plus 50. Option A, 5050. The expanded form of 3333 is 3000 plus 300 plus 30 plus 3. Option D. Worksheet number 8, subtopic comparison of the numbers. Circle the large number in each pair of the following. Between these two large number, 456, 2400, 1000, 654, 2540, 1100. Compare the numbers and insert appropriate symbol less than, greater than or equals to in the box given below. 211 less than 221, 423 less than 542, 452 greater than 326, 2932 less than 2964, 3192 greater than 3082, 3227 less than 3228. Observe the following figures. Write the numbers according to the pictures and use the proper symbol. Here two figures, here 4 means 2, 4, 2 less than 4, 3, 2, 3 greater than 2, both are same, 3, 3, 3 equals to 3. Worksheet number 9, subtopic comparison of the numbers. Compare the numbers and insert appropriate symbol in the box given below. Less than, greater than, equals to. 210 greater than 201, 254 less than 548, 654 greater than 457, 908 greater than 809, 758 less than 1477, 2187 less than 2817, 3251 less than 3452, 5454 less than 6385, 5526 less than 5562. Which one is a big number in 386 and 524? 524 is a big number. How can you tell 4265 more or less than 4365? By following the subtraction process, we will tell that 4365 is more than 4265. By subtraction process, we tell 4265 is less than 4365. Worksheet number 9, problem number 4. Vijay has 4500 and Kishore has 4100. Who has more money? 4500 greater than 4100. So, Vijay has more money. Setaya could produce 2000 bags of paddy, whereas Rangaya could produce 2500 bags of paddy. Who produced less? 2000 less than 2500. So, Setaya produced less paddy. Worksheet number 10, subtopic ascending and descending order. Arrange the following in a descending order in the given boxes. Descending order of the numbers: 5596, 5432, 5500, 5655, 5900 or 5432, 5500. Next, 5596, 5655, 5900. And the next one, 1999, 2395, 2650, Next 3490, 7590. Arrange the following numbers in both ascending and descending order. The given numbers are 2500, 7200, 3250, 1050, 9700. Ascending order of the above numbers: 1050, 2500, 3250, 7200, 9700. Descending order of the above numbers: 9700, 7200, 3250, 2500, 1050. Use the suitable symbols less than or greater than in the blanks. 3860 less than 4520. 4520 less than 5050. 5050 less than 5432. 5432 less than 6214. 9420 greater than 8536. 8536 greater than 7422. 7422 greater than 7322. 7322 greater than 5500. Worksheet number 11, subtopic ascending and descending order. Observe the following table and write names of objects in ascending and descending order according to their price. Television, fan, cot, bicycle. Price 9500, 1000, 1250, 450. Name of the objects in ascending order of prices: bicycle, fan, cot, television. Name of the objects in descending order of prices: television, cot, fan, bicycle. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. Given numbers are 2135, 2581, 4587, 3698, 5879. Ascending order of the above numbers: 2135, 2581, 3698, 4587, 5879. Descending order of the above numbers: 5879, 4587, 3698, 2581, 2135. Ascending order of the above numbers: 4068, 4086, 6048, 6084, 8064. Descending order of the above numbers: 8064, 6084, 6048, 4086, 4068. Ascending order of the above numbers: 1000, 1001, 1011, 1101, 1110. Descending order of the above numbers: 1110, 1101, 1011, 1001, 1000. Worksheet number 12, subtopic numbers in words. Circle the following numbers in the chart given below and write their names. The first one is done for you. 3200, 202, 3202, 4052, 4052, 8851, 7851, 7851, 3356, 3356. The above numbers in the given boxes are 7853, 4867, 4178, 7295. Number 2, who am I? My ones digit is 4. My tens digit is 5. I am a 2-digit number. Who am I? I am 54. My ones digit is 5. My tens digit is 2. My hundreds digit is 0. I am the number of 25. Worksheet number 13, subtopic writing numbers. Write the numbers that has 6 tens, 3 ones, 7 hundreds and 4 thousands. That is 4763. Number 2, write any 10 4-digit numbers using the digits 2, 7, 8 and 3. 8732, 8723, 8273, 8372, 8327, 8237, 7823, 7832, 7328. Arrange the above numbers in both ascending and descending order. Ascending order of the above numbers: 8273, 8327, 8372, 8723, 8732. 8732 descending order: 8723, 8372, 8327, 8273. Fill in the number chart with numbers in the order. The missing numbers are 5053, 5054, 5055, 5056, 5057, 5058, 5059, 5060, 5061, 5062, 5063, 5064, 5065, 5066, 5067, 5068, 5069, 5070, 5071, 5072, 5073, 5074, 5075, 5076, 5077, 5078, 5079, 5080, 5081, 5082, 5083, 5084, 5085, 5086, 5087, 5088, 5089, 5090, 5091, 5092, 5093, 5094, 5095, 5096, 5097, 5098, 5099, 5100. Worksheet number 14, subtopic smallest and the largest number. Write largest and smallest 4-digit numbers using the given digits. The given digits are 1, 3, 5, 4. Largest number is 5431. Smallest number 1345. Using 3912, the largest number is 9321. Smallest number is 1239. Using the digits 5, 6, 7, 3. The largest number we can write 7653. Smallest number 3567. Using the digits 9860. The largest number is 9860. The smallest number is 6089. Observe the following table and answer the questions. The population of different villages in Bukkapatnam Mandal as per 2011 census is shown below. Based on the above census information, he is asking some questions. Question number 1. Which is the most populated village in Bukkapatnam Mandal? Kottakota. Answer. Which is the least populated village in Bukkapatnam Mandal? Krishnapatnam. Identify the villages with a population of less than 4,000. They are Kottakota and Marala. Agraharam population is near to this. Option B, 3,400. Subtopic self-assessment. Write the following number names in numerals. 3,624, 6,043, 643, 4,116, 4,116, 7,256, 7,256. Write the place value of the underlined digit. 6,370. Place value of 7. 7 tens. 7,123. Place value of 1. 100. 6,380. Place value of 8. 8 tens. 7,523. Place value of 5. 5 hundreds. 7,013. Place value of 7. 7 thousands. 2,679. Place value of 9. 9 ones. 6,013. Place value of 6. 6,000. 2,674. Place value of 4. 4 ones. Problem number 3. Freedom fighters of India and their birth years. Write the birth years of the freedom fighters in ascending and descending order. Ascending order of the birth years of freedom fighters: 1869, 1889, 1891, 1901. Descending order of freedom fighters birth years: 1901, 1891, 1889, 1869. Problem number 4. Write less than, greater than, or equal to whichever is applicable. 2400 greater than 4000, less than 4002. 423 less than 7431. 6730 equals to 6730. 3330 equals to గ్రేటర్ దాన్, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఈక్వల్స్ టు అని పడింది. ఇది వచ్చేసరికి 3330 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ 3303. నెక్స్ట్ మ్యాచ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్. 4326 expanded form. 4300 plus 20 plus 6. 5207 expanded form. 5200 plus 0 plus 7. 8342 expanded form. 8000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 2. 8324 expanded form. 8300 plus 20 plus 4. Make any 5 4-digit numbers using 2, 3, 6 and 8. They are 2368, 2386, 3268, 3286. Observe the abacus and write the suitable number. 4, 7, 2, ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఇది 3, 8 అని పడింది. ఇక్కడ 4723. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ 8, 0, 4, 2. 8042. ఇది మనకి థర్డ్ క్లాస్లో సెకండ్ యూనిట్ అయినటువంటి నెంబర్స్ ఈ టాపిక్లో ఉన్నటువంటి వర్క్షీట్ 1 నుంచి వర్క్షీట్ 14 వరకు, అట్లాగే సెల్ఫ్ అసెస్మెంట్ ఏదైతే ఉందో దానికి సంబంధించిన వివరణ. ఐ హోప్ మీ అందరికీ కూడా అర్థమై ఉంటుందని అనుకుంటున్నా. ఛానల్ కనుక ఎవరైనా మొదటిసారి చూస్తుంటే ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అట్లాగే వీడియో కనుక నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఇంకొక మంచి వీడియోలో ఇంకొక మంచి టాపిక్తో మళ్ళీ కలుసుకుందాం. అప్పటి వరకు టేక్ కేర్, హ్యావ్ ఎ గుడ్ డే.